Hi friends, today's video is something very special. Friends, I'm really excited to say today on the 15th of February 2024, we have completed 30 years of Bafna Cars. Friends, it has been really a very tough journey till date. We have really cherished and enjoyed every moment of this to live the best of the expectation. Let me tell you honestly, in whole of this journey, friends, we don't want to miss any of the people who have been the part of our journey. It's all this thing is because of you all guys, all my technicians, my colleagues, my brother Mahesh, who has been standing tall. He's never in the frame, but he's always been standing tall to do the best of best service. My colleagues, my technicians. My son, my father, my mother, whom I don't want to forget because they have been the best pillar helping me in all the ups and downs and living to the best of best expectation. Friends, thank you so much. All this success is just because of you guys. I would request you from bottom of my heart to please keep showering your blessings to us, which you have been doing as always. Thank you so much. Thank you. Today's frame, friends, I have got my dad with me, Prakash Bafna. He has been sportingly supporting me all through my journey. My unseen brother Mahesh, who is never in the picture frame, but believe me, he is the backbone for my story. So he is also present today. I would really appreciate if Prakash sir can tell some few words to our viewers. Papa bola.
सर्व ग्राहकांचे मी आभार मानतो या व्यतिरिक्त की मला आज 30 वर्ष झाली हे दुकान सुरू करून याबद्दल सर्व ग्राहकाचे धन्यवाद.